Hello friends, welcome to Simple Digital Solutions. I am Sunil Kharja, and in today's video I will show you how to randomize arrays in Render. Array modifiers are powerful for creating repeated objects, but sometimes the repetition can look too perfect or artificial. By randomizing the position, rotation, or sometimes the scale of each copy, we can make the array look more natural and dynamic. That is why in this video, I'll go ahead and create a deck of cards that is not perfectly arranged but is randomized. So without any further ado, let's get started. Let's get started by creating the deck of cards in a normal regular array. For that, I'm deleting the default cube and adding here a plane. Now let's make our card, for which I'm going to scale the y-axis to 3 and I'm going to scale the x-axis to 2. Now we have to go ahead and reveal the vertices, but before that we have to press Ctrl A and then we have to go to scale. After that, go to tab and press Ctrl B to bevel. We have to select vertices and there we have to increase the segments. Now our card is ready, but we have to just give it some width. For that, I will go to edit mode again and now I will extrude this 0.01, maybe 2, okay 5. This is enough width. Now we have to just go ahead and we have to make an array out of this. So we will go to this modifiers and add here modifier, array modifier. Then select the factor z. Let's keep the count at 96. And now let's change the factor z to 1.01 so that we can ensure some space between each card. Now let's go ahead and apply this modifier. And now we will go to edit mode and press P and separate them by loose parts. Now let's proceed to the next step of randomizing their transform. With all of the cards selected, we have to press F3 and we have to go to randomize transform. There you can randomize 3 things, which are location, rotation and scale. For the cards, I'm not choosing randomize scale, will only change the location and the rotation. For the location, let's keep it something like 0.1, same here 0.1 and same here 0.1. And in randomized rotation, let's keep it at 10 degrees. Oops, we have to keep this at 0. We will only change the z-axis rotation and I am going to keep it at like 10. Okay, we have to not change the location z. Now this is okay. Now if you still think that things aren't looking that great, you can randomize the seed. If you want, you can also change these values a little bit. So that was all for today. Hope you liked this video and learned something new. Thanks for watching.